In this lesson, we will talk about traits. Traits are an abstract definition of shared behavior amongst different types. Let's define an example shared behavior in the trait we will create. Then let's create the structure to assign this property and bind its instance to the variable. We have bound the instance of our struct to the variable, but we have not yet bound the trait to the structure. Therefore, we cannot access the function. We link the feature to the struct with the keyword impl. If you want to keep any of its contents unchanged, just leave it that way. Let's print the function we integrated right away. As you can see, we have printed the output that we defined as default. Now let's define a struct named cat and print it in the same way. It provides the same default output in both structs. Let's customize the function in the doc structure according to its own sound. In fact, the application we are going to do now is called override. I assume you understand the difference and I leave it up to you to edit the other. You can access the code via the link in the description section. Now, with some abstraction, let's force each struct to create its own unique function. Yes, as you can see, we specified the function in the trait, but it gave an error because we did not create it within the structures. This is called abstraction. In this way, we obligate both of our structs to customize this function according to them. Let's create our functions in both structs. The format macro returns strings and is very useful for editing content. Finally, let's run our functions in println. See you in the next lesson.